Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this projector stand holder that goes from 22 inches all the way up to 37 inches. Alright, so right here we have our laptop projector tripod stand. So this tripod stand can be used for laptops, projectors, turntables, light-setted monitors. It also has another feature that comes with it, an accessory to hold your cell phone. So here is the top, and then you have the tripod at the bottom. It is 16-inch by 0.5 inch by 10.75. It holds up to 22 pounds. The minimum height is 22 inches. The max is 37 inches. So this is the top. This will go into the tripod. So this is great for movie night. It comes with elastic belts, phone holder. It's got a sponge gasket, metal tray, gooseneck, and a tripod. So these are all the accessories, and you also get the neck right here, which can hold on to a cell phone. So if you want to use that for a cell phone, you just put it on the side of this table and it will hold your cell phone, because it actually has a cell phone grip holder. So now I'm just going to put it together, and this is what the tripod looks like. You just take the top part, slide it into the bottom part, tighten it up, and it connects like this. Make sure that it's tightened. You don't have to worry about it at the top, and it does move up and down. So if you want it to be like a stand, you can move this up or down. Bear with me, I need two hands for this. And then this right here will hold your projector or whatever you have holding it. I got this for one of my projectors. And then here's a stand for the cell phone. And it's got this little rubber thing at the bottom, this crate, to hold on to your device so it doesn't move around. And then here is a cell phone holder. So if you want to use this for your cell phone, you would just screw this onto the top of here. There's a spot for that. You can set it directly up right here if you're going to use this as a book stand or a music tray to put your music notes on here. The maximum weight that it holds is up to 22 pounds. It has a rotation of 180 degrees. The size is 6 by 10.75 by 0.16. So I have my projector on this, and right now it's pointing to the green screen. That's why it looks kind of green. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see that it has got my projector on it. It actually holds it pretty settled. It doesn't move around. And then I just put it just like this. You can do it straps from horizontally, both horizontally or both vertically. I did one and one so to hold it up better. So overall, this is a nice tripod. It has no edge, left and right edges. I have a free design. It holds up to 22 pounds of the max weight. It is a stable design. So if you're looking for a nice tripod, whether it be for a projector screen, a laptop, somewhere to put your cell phone, or a turntable, I would highly recommend checking this one out. It is super nice. It doesn't move around, and it's really sturdy.